All right, guys, good afternoon. This is Deana Eddy, Friday, February the 23rd of 2024. I'm going to do some ad post training. I needed to do a new recording so that we have some up-to-date information. So you need to get in the mindset of when you modify your first pages, that being your first DTCA pages, your Velveeta pages, and your Savings Highway Global pages, you want to get in the habit, you modify the page, make it your own, have your links on it, and then you want to go place an ad or two or three right after you've done that. And that's going to start drawing traffic to your PBS, which is what you want to do. And then you modify the next page, write a classified ad, go post that ad, so on and so forth. It's all through all your anchors. And then after that, when you get the RAM, the Cash Network Direct, those offers, kiosk offers, then you do the same on each of those pages. So the first thing I want to show you is the free class on the main training site, which is rrr247.com/RRR. Right here at the top, it says free traffic sites. Okay, they're right here. And when you click on them, you will see that there are a lot here. So you can use any of these classified sites you want to. Some of them are easier than others. Some require you to register with your email and phone number. Some don't. And then there are some international posting sites, and there's some paid posting sites. Now, the last time I actually clicked on this one, it didn't work, so it may or may not work. So this is where you find your sites. And let me just tell you, this first one, Classifieds for Free, it's the oldest online classified site in the US, and it's for US cities only. And then another one that is very popular is right here, the US Net Ads, and all of these right here. They all have the same format and layout, and they all require your pictures to be minimized. So before you use these, you want to go find pictures of, let's just say the Tune or the Brain, or any of the Velveeta products or any of the DTCA products, and you want to take them to Canva and minimize it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Also on these, you don't want to advertise someplace that we do not ship to. So you need to know where we ship the products to. So we'll go over that again in a minute. But so I wanted to show you this. So there's a lot of ad sites right here, free traffic sites. And then you want to open your Drive. If you don't know where your Drive is, we all should be using Google Chrome. So when you open a new tab over here to the right, you see these 9 dots. Well, when you click on the 9 dots, the colorful triangle is your Drive. So we use Google Drive, we use Gmail, we use a Google Calendar, there's our YouTube. I've been using Google Translate lately. That's been handy. And there are others, but those are the main ones that we use. So you click on the Drive. I'm going to go back over here. So I'm in my Drive, and I had previously created a folder for new student. So that's just for me for training, so don't do it that way. All right, so you want to be in your Drive, and you want to click on New, and you want to click on Folder. Okay, when you click on Folder, you need to name that folder, and I recommend that you name it Ads or Classified Ads. All right, so I am currently in my Drive. My new student is my example folder, and then you want to add a new folder, name it Ads. So inside my Ads folder, look, I have a folder here for Velveeta. Okay, and you're going to do one for DTCA, and you're going to do one for Savings Highway Global. So there are multiple things that we need to do before we start placing ads. So here's an ad posting record. So inside my ads folder, I created new, and then I did a Google Sheet. A Google Sheet is like Excel, and a Google Doc is like Word, but we needed a Google Sheet for this ad posting record, and I'm going to open that so you can see it. So on this document, I called it ad posting record, or you can just put ads, whatever you want, but you do need title, you need the date, the ad ID or password. The site is going to be the website that you put your ads on, and the location is the city, state, or country that you advertised in. So last week I did some in Portugal. I'm getting some traffic from Portugal because I want to build internationally. So, and if you don't know how to, so what I did on this row number 1 where my title is, if you don't know how to do it, you hit view. So once you type in title, date, ad ID, or password, the site, and the location, I go up here to view and I hit freeze, and 1 row. And what that does, it allows the title and the date to go with me wherever I roll my wheel on my mouse, okay? So I don't have to guess what that is. All right, I like to do that. Okay, so then next, and like I'm gonna do ads today on 2/23/24. I'm not sure where I'm doing them yet. So as I do that, you can pre-fill this in. As you can see, last week I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the same titles, same date, same website, all in Portugal. So you can kind of get ready to work. It goes faster if you do that. All right, I do have this open 2 times. I don't need it open 2 times. All right, so inside, I have to show you in my drive. So in your drive, create a folder and call it ads. Inside the ads folder, you come over when you're in your folder. When you're in your ads folder, you come over here and you hit new, and you create another folder, one for Velavita, one for DTCA, one for Savings Highway Global, and then one for your Cash Network Direct. But I'm going to show you what I did in here. Inside my ads folder, I created Velavita. I double click on it, and in here I created inside Velavita. I went new and I added folder and called it Brain. Inside Velavita, I hit new folder and biome plus thermo, tune, youth, and Zleam. So I have a folder for each of those products. Okay. And it's a process. It takes a little time to get things completed. But so the plus thermo is what I want to do an ad for today. So inside my Velavita and inside my plus thermo folder, once you're in your plus thermo folder, you click new and you do a Google Doc. That's the blue one. It's like a Word document. And this is what I did here. So I have my ads that I wrote for the plus. Okay, so this is, so as you name your document, plus ads, you always use your link for your PBS, your coffee page on your PBS, whatever it's called, because that's the link to your PBS that you're going to put in your ads. Whatever phone number you want them to contact you at, I put mine on here because I needed it. So you want to put title, and I wrote 3 titles here, and then you write ad body. And I wrote 3 separate ad bodies, and I separate them by the little stars. That's just for my old eyes. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I've got it right here. Again, I've got it open 2 times. Don't need to have it open 2 times. So I'm going to place some ads, and I typically do a title, take your morning coffee to the next level. I usually put that title right there in my ad, and I just add to it. Okay, there's no right or wrong, just so that you draw attention to your PBS page that you want to do the ad for. So if you just finished your education page, let's say, you're going to create a folder for Brain Food Academy. Inside your ads folder, you create a folder for Brain Food Academy, and then do your PBS page for Brain Food Academy. Do 2 or 3 titles. You know, you can have more than that, but really just 1 or 2 in the beginning, and then I just add to mine the more I do them. So let me just show you how I'm going to do this. Right now, I picked Classifieds for free. It's the one that's the oldest one in the country. And this one, you have to log in. You have to register and log in. All they really want is your name and your email. And you want them to have that because once a week, I get notifications that I need to renew my ads, and I renew them, and they're good for another week. So I'm going to post, and let's see, I've already hit post an ad. So I think that I want to continue, not Portugal, but I want to do, see, I've got my list of where Bella Vita ships to, and I want to do Spain. So I'm going to pick Spain. Okay. So on this one, if you leave this blank, down here it's going to say US, and it's going to go to every city in the US. Okay. The header is the title of your ad. So I have my plus ad right here. Take your morning coffee to the next level. I'll copy that. That's the wrong one. Go here, paste it. And then you can put it in every single category and just go down through here and just, all right, so I'm going to put this one in aircraft aviation. Okay. I don't put my email or my phone number or the manufacturer or the model. I do put the year, 2024. And then the price for the plus is basically $140 US for a box. Click in the description. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy my ad. Okay. And I'm going to paste it in here. And it's kind of all jammed up a little bit, so I like to separate mine a little bit. I figure if I can't see it, other people can't see it. All right, I'm going to grab my link. So I have that link right up here. I copy it, Control C to copy, and I come here and I am pasting it right there. Okay, now normally this one, all these are pictures that I have uploaded to this site and used. They're not working right now, so sometimes if I will, let me pick a picture of my downloads, and I have, let me get this to the top, plus snap. Okay, so I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to upload the image, and watch, it's going to add another square, and I know it's this one. So it's not showing up right now as a picture, but then I scroll up here and post the ad. When they're working, you want to do a lot because you can get a lot of mileage out of this one. So I like this site. All right, so look, here's my ad ID, or my, yeah, ad ID. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go over here and put it right there. I guess I better grab my title. It was the first one, take your morning coffee to the next level. Copy it, put it right here. And I said I did Spain, so SPAIN, and I can't even remember where I am. I'm on classifieds4free.com. So I just copy that so I don't have to type it. Put it on here. Okay. I'm going to do another couple on this site. I think I'll do 2 more. So copy, and you got to get behind it and paste it there. And I'm going to stick in Spain. Okay. Click on that, right click, copy, and right click and paste. All right, so, but I want to show you this one. This one's really cool. So there's my ad. It does have the picture, even though it shows they're not working. But this one, Cliff, you can get a lot of work out of this one, Brian and Yvonne. Do you want to post another ad? Well, yes, I do. So I did one ad. I've done the work. Yes, I do. And this site, we love it because this is what we can do. I'm going to still do it in Spain. I already have my title. All I have to do on this one is change the category to announcements. Scroll down, post the ad. It's spinning, it's thinking. Let me close that tab. I might not need that one. So if you write one good ad, this ad site will allow you to get a lot of mileage out of it. So here is this. And I teach you how to do this part in case you want to do it. I don't even do this myself. I don't need to go check it out all the time. Rory would have put over here like a subcategory of the actual announcements. Okay, I don't do that. So I'm just going to keep going. So I want you to see how many ads I can get done really quickly. Announcements, antiques. So people in Spain, there's people in all these categories in Spain that do this. Okay, and I wish it weren't so slow. That's okay. Come on. And you can add 3 pictures on this one. I'm happy with 1. Really, I just need 1. Come on. There it goes. So I'm going to copy this, a number, and see there's my ad with the picture. And here you'll be able to see the views, but I don't worry about those views. I'm going to add this picture here, that ID there, and I'm actually doing the exact same title, so I can do it on both of those. You know what? Let me see if I can do a couple more. We'll see what happens. If it lets me, I'll do it. Copy, drag this down, paste it. I like Spain. I'm just going to stay in Spain. Copy and go down here. And see, if you fill this out, and this is how Rory does it on his trainings. He fills it all out, and then all he has to do is put his ID number in there for that ad. Okay, you want to do more? Sure I do. All right, you scroll it. I can see it's Antiques and Arts was my last one. I just go to Apartments for Rent and post an ad. If this one's going to be this slow, I might go to the other one and work on it. So here's my ad ID. And the reason you need these ad IDs, if you need to go in and edit it or something, you have to have that ad ID. All right, let's do another one. It says, do you want to do another one? Yes, I do, because the picture's working. So while the pictures are working, you want to do as many as you can. Post an ad. Okay. Copy that. I'll put it on here. Okay. It says, do you want to post another ad? Yes, I do. This is just good use of our time while it's working. You want to do as many as you can. Post an ad. Oh, that got faster. Okay, copy that. Put it in here. So this is, go back here, scroll down. Want to post another ad? Yes, please. All right, so I'm on auto parts. So the next one is automobiles. Scroll down, post an ad. Wow, yeah, when it's going fast, you want to use it. You can get a lot of mileage out there. I'm gonna do one more, and then I'll move on to something else. Okay, so that's automobiles, and then what's next? Beauty products. Oh, slow down again. Come on. There it is. All right, so we're going to copy that number and put it on here. All right, so I did that many that quickly, so that's good. I'm happy with that. So I want to show you another one. So the US net ads, Let me think of what I want to. I want it to be plus. USNet ads is a little particular. This is the one that you have to minimize your pictures on. Okay. So I might just, let me go get a picture that I want. So I use Pixabay is one of the places I get pictures. The other one is called Unsplash, just like it sounds, like you're splashing water, but unsplash.com or pixabay.com. So it's a search for pictures, just like Google. So I'm going to say coffee cups. Okay, I want pictures of coffee cups, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so notice these up here, they're 20% off. Well, that means you have to pay for these top 4. They're really good pictures, but these right here are royalty free. So I'm going to use these. Why not? Oh, there's some good pictures down here too. Okay, so I like this one. That's a cappuccino. So I'm going to click on this picture. I'm left clicking on it. You see this download right here? You can download it to your computer and use it over and over. I'm going to download it. I'm going to use the smallest one and download. Okay, so it just went to my computer. So once it does that, now I have to go into the yellow folder in the bottom left-hand corner of my computer screen, the File Explorer. I think you guys can see this. And in Downloads, you'll see coffee. So I'm going to right-click and I'm going to copy this one. And I'm going to take it to Canva and make sure it's reduced. So canva.com. This is where we reduce our pictures. And you hit Custom Size. I always pick the smallest one or the top one, whatever is the top one that I pick. So once this purple line comes around this box, I left click on the box and you have to Control V to paste it. So it just made the picture the size I told it to. And then in the top right, you hit share. And right down here, it says download. And then purple download again. Okay, and that just went to my computer. So now I can go do my USNet ads, click here to post. You don't have to register with this one. Click here. Come on. Here it comes. Okay, so the USNet ads is super easy, but this is one of the ones that requires the pictures to be reduced. So I'm going to take your morning coffee to the next level. I haven't done it on this site yet. Go away, please. All right, so you paste the title and let me go get my ad body. Take your morning coffee to the next level. Copy that, and we're right here. Paste it in there. And I'm going to spread it out a little bit so it's easier to read. And if you spread it out, sometimes it makes the ad look a little bit bigger, a little longer. And I do put my link in the bottom right here, and then I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go down here to the URL and paste it in there. But right here, it says choose, and this is an ad image. And right over here, it cannot be bigger than 800 pixels by 800 pixels. So this is for all of those USNet ad ones I showed you. But let me go choose my picture. And it's this untitled one. Oh, I'm going to rename that one real quick. Rename Cup of Joe dash RED for reduced. So I know it's reduced. And then I hit enter. I'm going to double click on that. See, it just loaded it right here. So I know it's going to fit because I reduced it. All right. And then you have to pick a category. And these are particular, so I like to go in the health and beauty. I'll do beauty, and I don't do city, I do all states. And the ad owner name, I put the name of my PBS. Okay, I don't put my phone number or my email, but down here, password, I use 54321 for every ad I do. You could do the same, something you're going to remember. And then this validation code, it's right here, but you have to just retype it. 309666, and let's submit and see what happens. This is my robo form in the way. So there it is. So I'm going to copy my, see, I don't need to copy my password because I remember that, but I have to copy this ad ID. And I'm going to go put it right here. It's a little longer. Some of them are different. So I can copy this title and I'm going to put it right there. And this is USNet ads.com. Why won't it populate? Let me grab this. usnetads.com. Okay, and I did USA. Okay, so this site is really picky, but if you want to see your ad, and it's already active, it's good for a whole year. But if you want to see your ad, you click on the title. And so this is my ad right here in the middle. And there's the picture. And you can see all states, all cities, today's date, one view. That's me looking right now. And there's my link that's going to take them to my coffee page. All right, so I'm going to close that. And we're going to do another one. Post an ad. All right, so let me scoot this up. We're going to go do a plus. Let's do drink coffee. This is one that you cannot do duplicate ads on. So you have to come up with different titles and different ad bodies, or they'll kick you out and say, you've gone over your limit, please come back tomorrow. So you just have to pay attention to that. Drink coffee, lose weight. All right, so there's my ad. I'll spread it out a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to copy my URL right there and put it down here while I'm thinking about it. I am going to use the same picture. Okay, Cup of Joe. Double click, it puts it in there. Let me select a different category. Health and beauty, we'll do fitness. I'll do weight loss. Why not? Everybody's looking to lose weight. Okay. And do the password 54321 tab 394096. Okay, and submit. Okay, I'm going to grab this number, copy it, come put it over here. And I know it's in USA. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to do two more there, paste it, and I'm doing different ad titles for these next two. So let me go grab them. Oh, maybe just, I copied that one. Okay, all good. Drink coffee, lose weight. So I did the second one. So I'm going to do one more. Shrink your size by drinking coffee. Okay. And this will be my last one, and then we'll move on. Post an ad. It's a little slow today. All right, come on. All right, so here's my title. Let me grab my ad body about shrinking your body. Copy that. I'll come put it in. Oops, I put it in the title. So that's just a big mess. See, everybody can mess up and still be okay. So I'm just making sure I got all of that out. Let me go back and get my ad title. I've got my body copied. I'll just put that in there first. And then I'll go get my title. Shrink your size by drinking coffee. Okay, I put that in the title. Spread this out a little bit. Okay, so I spread that out a lot, so that looks better. I'm going to copy the link and put it in the URL down here, and I'm going to go get my my snap. Okay, I know it's reduced because I already reduced it. So let me pick a category, and I'm going to do this one in nutrition. Add my password, 54321, tab, and that looks like 087026. Okay, and then you hit submit. Okay, there's my ad ID. Copy that, come over here and put it right here. And I guess I need to go copy my ad titles that I already used. And copy lose weight, add that one. And then the next one is shrink your body size, your size. Copy that, put it here. All right, and the USA. Okay, so that's that. So I want to show you another I think people really struggle with minimizing pictures. So let's do another picture, and then I'm going to stop the recording after this. So let's say hummingbirds. Okay, and you hit enter. Okay, so you got to pay attention. These top 4 pictures are 20% off. They're beautiful, but they want you to pay. I'm not going to pay for a picture. These below are free. You know, they're just beautiful pictures, and all the different kinds of hummingbirds. It's pretty amazing. So let me, oh, I like this one. So you can do two, if you're working on your PBS, you right click on the picture and copy image. If you want to download it for ads, you left click on the picture and then come over here and hit download. I pick the smallest size and the word download. Okay, it just went to my, okay, so let me go to my yellow folder at the bottom, and it says bird. I'm going to right click and copy it first. And let me close this and get it out of the way. I'm going to go to Canva and I hit custom size. I hit the top one, 350 by 350. When the white box appears and the purple surrounding, you could left click in it, and with Canva you have to Control V to paste it in there. So you have to left click on the white box and Control V on your keyboard. And this made this picture the size I asked it to. And then in the right top hand corner, you hit share. And then down here, the word download. And purple download again. The purple stripe that says download. Okay, and when it goes up there, it just went to my computer again. So I'm gonna go to the folder again. And let's see, go to my downloads. And this is 339, it says top one. So I'm going to right click on the untitled design and I'm going to rename it Hummingbird -RED for reduced. I know it's reduced. Okay. And I'm going to delete this bird because I don't need it. It's the wrong size. Okay. So all of mine that have RED beside them, I've already reduced them. Okay. So now that hummingbird picture is ready. So everybody should get in the habit of, you modify a page and then you should write 2 or 3 ads and go post those ads. Do your pictures first and reduce them. So if you use the US Net Ads site, then you'll have your pictures ready for them. If you don't use them, you don't have to do that. But modify a page, write a classified ad or two, and go place them. Go to your next page, modify it, write an ad or two, and go post them. And that's how you get gradual, consistent traffic to your PBS. And remember, you always send them to the page of the product that you're advertising. So I hope this helps, and I hope you can watch it over and over and post a lot of ads. Let me stop this.